Play Pibaro, Ipidang Subhai Pi, Sakit Kami, Bagi Kubor, Baman Kasmi.
Menteri rang ba kesor karjala Konrad K Sangma mentang kesengi ke arpotrik Jembang Arjar Arpuai ula penlong ke jingjurep ke Oxygen Generation Plan banbu Civil Hospital Nongpo ya kepala bay dari United Nation Development Program ke bansa trekam notion batkan ai ke jing syakri ya absan tli ke jing tia Konrad ulong bay kani ke Oxygen Generation Plan on pendap notion hakini kisngi bat ban pentrekam no ya ka hakatayau bansawan Hakabai David ke Corona Care Center Konrad ulong baka sorkar menta kadang pen kre syat-syat iti Jaka Sumar bat menta la jet ya MCH ke badan ha umran bat ka badang pen tre syat-syat man pendep no bahkan long kawai nagi Corona Care Center bat kan pen sukru ya gitu basyak ta hakatega klam jingpang COVID kat kendai ban syak Sumar bet tang hakatega Jaka Sumar
And then once you connect from here, you connect to the pocket. Yeah, basically we have come to inspect the oxygen plant that is being set up here. This is the one that has been provided by UNDP funding. There will be 3 locations, Tura, Nongpo and Juai. As I mentioned about 3-4 days back that within a few days this center should be up. So we have received the equipments that have come in and the installation is going on as we speak. Now we just need to do the internal wiring and we need to do the internal internal piping of the buildings have to be done. So that will take a bit of time. We hope and expect that by early next week this particular plant will be functional. At the same time, we have just had discussion regarding the MCH out here in the district in Umran, and we are in touch with the Tata Trust, where they have committed that they will be giving the oxygen plant there. So we will be setting up another COVID base in the MCH hospital, and therefore we need to be prepared so that if in any situation cases continue to rise, then we will need the required infrastructure, and of course the Riboy being very close to the Assam border and being the entry point and having a large industrial and other central government bases is an area which is very vulnerable. So therefore we need to be ready with all eventuality, and therefore on war fitting these works are going on. So the Honorable MLA and the Deputy Commissioner along with the Superintendent, we are all here to overall see the work that's going on. We are satisfied, but of course we need to speed up the work. So we have just told the contractor to try to finish it at the earliest. Thank you.